Remember our ratio boxes? Remember the way we used them for totals? How total is a piece of information that maybe is never stated but is given, as in there's 4 boys and 2 girls in the class. You're able to presume what's the total number of kids, so you can start to build proportions. Remember, a proportion sets 2 ratios equal to each other, and you solve by cross multiplying and setting the values equal, and then getting whatever you're trying to get by itself. I don't know what it would be, by usually dividing. Okay, that's how we use proportions. Example 2 brings in percents. Only 40% of the team members played in the game. Now, if 40% played, I can build a ratio box. Played 40. And you might say, there's not going to be enough information in here, right? There's only one more number. 24 team members did not play. How do I solve this? What number do I know that they haven't told me? Percent per 100. So the percent is 100. 40 out of 100 did, therefore always 60 did not. I've got a lot of proportion I can work with because they told me a lot with that symbol, that percent symbol. How many did play, they'd like to know. Did play 40 over 100. Oops. Writing as I was talking. 40 over 100 is, how many did play? Well, we don't have a lot here right now. We know 24 did not. Book says let's not use the total in our final answer. Very interesting. So, I was a little bit of a loss here because I didn't have either of these. So, I didn't know what to do. Well, I've got this match. You kind of need a match, right? You need 60 and 24 to be alongside each other. We got 60 because we knew 40 plus something had to be 100. Now we can stick 24 here, 40 up here. 40 is getting compared to 60 now. Now we can cross multiply. 40 times 24 is 864. 60p. Then you divide by 60 to know what p is. Let's see how I'm doing. See if I did mental math pretty close. They don't even show the 864. They just show 40 times 24 is going to get divided by 60. Let's divide everything by 4. Is that 8? Well, anyway, 40 times 24 over 60 is what they do, like we were going to do. And then you can reduce, I suppose, this by 6. So this would be 4, this would be 10, and then this one by 10 as well. That's going to leave me with too messy. 40 times 24 over 60. Let's divide these both by 10. So this is 6 and this is 4. Divide these by 6. 4 times 4 is 16. So you can try to reduce it after multiplying or keep it broken up. See if it saves you time. So we're using what we know about percents to fill in a ratio box to solve word problems. Buying the shoes on sale, Nathan paid $45.60, which was 60% of the full price. What was the full price? Ratio box. 60% of full price was $45.60. Those match up. We don't know the total. We know 40%, but we don't need that right now. We need this. As long as I can get 4 amounts, one being unknown, I can solve. 100 times 4560, 4,560 is going to be the same as 60 times our missing number. So you divide 4,560 and that's going to end up being 76 was our wonder number. Anyway, I hope you were able to follow some of that and how we use that number 100 because of what we know about percent. Solve these percent problems using proportions. Each one we need a ratio box. You can use the examples to help you. Pick from A or B. Pick from C, D, or E. Thanks.